Hi, my name is Jeroen Breuer, and in this video I will show you how you can run the Sitecore Layout Service on .NET Core. This is the XM Cloud introduction. If you follow all these steps, then you will be able to run the Sitecore sites. So once you followed all these steps, you can run npm run start connected, and then you will have the Sitecore website running locally, connecting to a local XM Cloud instance that is running in Docker. So here we have the home page, we have the text here, we have a button, we have the venue here, also some text, and everything you see here is a Next.js app doing GraphQL queries against my local XM Cloud instance. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to change the GraphQL endpoint to my my layout service that is running on .NET Core. So here, if we have the home page, if I now change this endpoint and refresh, then you will see that it will hit a breakpoint, and that is because now the Next.js app is doing a GraphQL request to my .NET Core app. And what it's doing here is it's actually the .NET Core app does the GraphQL request to the local XM Cloud instance, gets back the information, and then once we have it back, we have some strongly typed models that we are able to change. So here we can make some apply field updates, and if we continue, cache the result and eventually show the page. Now, as you can see, the text here is updated and the button here is updated. And if I now refresh again, you will see that the page is cached. And if we go down here a little, there we can see that for this page I wanted to update the headline with the updated text, and I also wanted to update the call to action text with links can also be updated. And that is what you are seeing here. Now if we go back, so this was the home page that is we made some changes here and it's cached now. So now let's go to the venue page. Since this one isn't cached yet, we will get the result. Also apply some field updates, put it in a cache. And here we see that we have the title that we had, but now it's updated. And I also used a weather service to show the current weather. And I'm also showing a date here with the current date. And if I refresh now, we can see that the page is cached. So the date hasn't changed, and I also didn't need to use the weather service again. If we look down here, then we can see that for this page I used the weather info and I got the date, and I updated the headline with the weather info and the date to show those results. So let's remove this breakpoint. So as you can see, we now have a Next.js app, and all the GraphQL queries are going through my custom layout service that is running on .NET Core, and that does all the GraphQL queries to my local XM Cloud instance that is running on Docker. So with this, you have an extra option to make modifications instead of doing everything in Next.js. If you're a .NET developer and you're used to maybe making custom content resolvers that required working with .NET Framework and deploying that code to Sitecore, you can now use a separate .NET Core app and make the changes there if you want to. That's it.